Ever grappled with the challenges of cutting complex drywall rounded corners, knife edges, or light coves? Wish there was a tool that could make your job easier? Meet GROOVE-90, your new best friend in drywall milling. This portable wonder fits easily in a gang box or toolbox, ready to be at your side whenever you need it. And it's so compact, you can slip it into the back seat of your truck without breaking a sweat. But don't let its size fool you. The GROOVE-90 might be light. The complete kit weighs less than 40 pounds, but it's a heavyweight when it comes to performance. The non-motorized glide track is engineered to never bind or fail. The GROOVE-90 is a marvel of versatility. It can create beautiful rounded corners, giving your work a professional and polished look. But that's not all. The GROOVE-90 can also create grooves for LED lights, a perfect tool for creating light coves. This power tool is all about making your work faster and easier. The GROOVE-90 makes quick and easy cuts, saving you precious time on the job site. And the results? Perfect corners every single time. The GROOVE-90 is all about precision. This tool gives you the control you need to make your work look its absolute best. Forget about rough edges or uneven cuts. With the GROOVE-90, every cut is a masterpiece. See the difference it can make in your work. GROOVE-90, from the House of Innovative Drywall Technologies, where innovation meets excellence.